Are you looking for a vehicle that blends classic style with raw performance? Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2019 Ram 1500 Bighorn Sport Crew Cab in Blue Streak Pearl with LED automatic reflector headlamps, front LED fog lamps, LED tail lamps, deployable bed step, black interior accents, heated front seats, heated steering wheel, 7-inch cluster with TFT color display, 8.4-inch display, navigation, backup camera, single disc remote CD player, 9 amplified speakers with subwoofer, dual zone temp controls, front and rear rubber floor mats, LED bed lighting, spray-in bed liner, 5.7-liter V8 HEMI engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D5411.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX vehicle history report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX buyback guarantee.